Imagine what the first thing come up in your mind when we talk about the word printer. It does something like this, or this, and this? Nah. Is that just like a machine that you put a paper inside and it's pulling out a paper with letters? No, it's too boring for education. But no more! Everything has changed! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 21st century. We're proud to present to you the greatest invention ever that have a huge influence not only in education but also every other aspect. We're proud to present to you 3D printer! Tang, 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 tang.
With a very special function, have improved your academic life, more fun, more convenient, make your imagination be more realistic.